Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, as you know we were finished with the permission feature. Now we are ready to get location updates from the user's device. In order to do this, we will again use the geolocator plugin. And Erkan will get into more detail with the geolocator API and implement the domain layer.
Okay, Aytunç, why don't we jump into the pub dev and check what capabilities does the geolocator package gives to us. Okay, so as you remember, our goal was to display the user's marker on a map. In order to do this, we need to know the location of the user. And this location information consists of two parts. One is the latitude and one is the longitude part. So in order to get this information, the geolocator API provides us some methods. One of them is to get the current position of the user. It is a future, and whenever you call it, it returns the current location of the device. And they also give us a method to get the last known position of the user. And this is the last retrieved stored location on the device. And finally, they give us a stream of location updates, which is useful if you want to track the user's location with a time interval. For example, if you are building a navigation application, you probably want to follow your user's location every 5 seconds, 10 seconds, etc. It all depends on your needs. For the purpose of this app, what we will use is the listen to the location updates. As the user moves, we are going to update the location of the marker on the map. Therefore, the only method that we need is the get position stream method that the geolocation provides to us. So since we know that the geolocator package provides us this information, now we can jump into the code and provide our model classes and abstraction in this video. Okay, now we are going to the domain layer as usual when starting our ND feature, and create a subfolder called location under the domain layer. As I mentioned, the location information consists of two fields for the scope of this tutorial. One of them is latitude, and the other one is longitude. We want to display the user's coordinates with a marker on the map. So now we are ready to implement the location model. So under the location folder, below the domain layer, we are going to create a new file called LocationModel.dart. We are going to create our model class with freeze and name the class as LocationModel. Let's import freeze annotation and put our parse statement here. This parse statement is required to generate freeze code. The location model has two fields. One of them is latitude and the other one will be longitude. So let's add this field, latitude, and the other one is double longitude. Now let's create a empty constructor, a default constructor for location model that's going to return a location model with latitude and longitude are equal to 0. our location model is ready. After we run the build runner, the code generation will be completed and our model class will be ready. Next, we are going to implement our location service abstraction. Under the location folder, now we are going to create a new file called iLocation service.dart. Let's define our abstract class. iLocation service. As you remember, we want to access the user's location in a period of time. If the user changes his location, we want to update the marker's location on the map. Therefore, a return type of stream is suitable for our needs. Oops. A stream of location model, where the location model is the model that we have just created. Position stream. So we need a stream of location model from our position stream. We expect our location service to provide us this information. This is what we expect from our location service. And now we are done with the implementation of the domain layer for our location feature.
Thank you very much, Hakan. So next up, we will do the infrastructure layer and we will be implementing this position stream, the abstract class. So see you soon.
Bye.